Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. And I hope that you are having a wonderful day, but I'm about to make your day even better. The recipe that I want to share with you today, y'all better get ready. It's going to blow your mind. Now I am going to make for you today a delicious banana bread with 3 ingredients. Yeah. Three ingredients. Have you ever heard of such a thing? 3 ingredient banana bread? Well, that's what we're gonna make. Let me show you what you will need. Okay, so here are your ingredients. I mean, bananas. Yes, you need bananas for banana bread. And then you will need self-rising flour and then a can of sweetened condensed milk. That sound crazy? I don't know, I'm excited. Let's make banana bread. And if you are new here to my channel, I am Chef Christy and I share delicious recipes each and every week. So please subscribe if you have not already, and you might want to hit that notification bell, then you'll know as soon as I upload a new video. Okay, this recipe actually uses 5 bananas. That may sound like a lot, but it's a good way to use up old bananas. And in case you didn't know, the riper they are, the sweeter they are. Just a little tip. So I'm just going to begin to peel my bananas and place them into a large bowl. Now I'm going to use a potato masher to mash my bananas. Okay, now I'm going to add a can of sweetened condensed milk. Tell anybody. And next I'm going to add my self-rising flour. That's 2.5 cups. Alright, so these are your 3 ingredients, but guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna add another ingredient, but it's okay. I just don't think you can have banana bread without cinnamon. I mean, would you agree? And I mean, I don't know, is this another ingredient? I guess, but I want to add some cinnamon. So, and it's optional. It's optional. You can definitely use these 3, just these 3 ingredients. You can add cinnamon. And to be completely honest with you, I would probably like to add some walnuts too. But we're just gonna try it here with these 3 ingredients plus an optional cinnamon. Okay, so now I'm gonna pour my batter into, I have a silicone loaf pan. I've had this for a long time. It's looking pretty rough. It looks like I could use another one. But I'm just going to go ahead and pour this into here. Okay, this is crazy. There's no eggs in here. That is pretty yummy. Just saying. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bake this into a 375 degree oven for about 45 minutes to an hour until you can poke a knife in and out and it comes out clean. So here we go. All right, let's see if this is done. Nope, not yet. All right, I'm gonna check this again. Ta-da! It is done. Wow, okay, look at this. I mean, it looks just like a beautiful banana bread. Now just look at this banana bread. How moist and tender it is. It smells amazing. I wish that you could smell through the camera. But I'm going to take a piece here that I've cut. I'm going to put some butter on it. Okay, I'm going to give this a try. Oh my goodness. That is some seriously good banana bread. I mean, it's light and fluffy, the texture of the bread. If I knew banana bread could be this easy, I would have made this a long time ago. I'm telling you, you all will really want to try this. It is so delicious. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon with more recipes.